In today's video we talk about array, how you can use the array command. Let's start. In modification toolbar you will find array. Basic use of array command is to make multiple objects by using single object. For example, first select the object. We have to create multiple objects. There are two types of array. Click on array. See here, linear array and radial array. Linear array actually used for a row, column, and this radial array you can use for polar array, stadium chair. Okay, let's talk about linear array. Select the linear array. You will see here group and associate. Just click the checkbox. If you make this array, all will be in a group. Okay, move to second. This is move to second. If you click on move to second, it means if you move the object, it will be in the second position. Suppose if you move this object, it will be in the second position. Let's see here, constant. If you click the box constant. If you check on constant, then object will move horizontally or vertically. So let's see. Pick the object, the place at a distance where you want to place. Okay, you can change the number of array as per your requirement. Suppose we put 4. Enter. You can see the object is placed in the second position. Okay, all the objects are in a group. You can see all the objects are in a group. If you want to move this object, suppose you move this object, all object will be moved. If you want to ungroup this object, you can select here ungroup. You will see the object has been ungrouped. Okay, let's talk about, suppose select the object. Let's talk about this last. Move to the last. If you click move to the last, in this, if you select the object for array, it will be in the last position. Suppose select, you place the object here, 6. Enter. You will see the object has been placed in the last position. All the distance between the object is the same or equal. Now we talk about radial array. Okay, so let's suppose I have to rotate this chair around. We have chair and table. Suppose I have to rotate this chair around the table. For that I have to select the chair, click on array, then click on the radial array, then we have to click on the place, then we have to click on the place, click on the center of the table, now you can give apply array. Suppose you want 10 chair around this table. The angle between the chair will be, this is 360 degree, the angle between the chair will be 360 by 10, that is 36 degree. You give 36, enter. Then it will ask number of item, then we can give 10, enter. This overlap each other, so what we have to do, let's select the object array, radial, second, place center, select this table, select the chair and 36 degree, enter, and 10 number of chair. You will see the chair has been placed around the table. Suppose we want to place the 6 chair around the table, so this is 360 degree, so 6 chair 360 by 6, that is 60 degree. Select the chair, apply array, center to rotate, select the table, and this will be 60 degree, enter. Number of chair 6, enter. You will see the chair has been placed, all are in the equal distance, placed in the equal distance. You can see in 3D also if you want to see. Suppose it will take little bit time. You can see the chair has been arranged around the table. Suppose you want again, you can see this one, click on the linear, placed at the second, constant, select the object here, enter the number 10, enter. You will see this, select the array, placed here last, select, place, you can place number 8. You can see 8 table has been placed equal distance. In this way you can use radial array also. So thank you for watching today's video.